हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियोस की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी इन इंडिया के टॉप 40 MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में आपके लिए क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर कमेंट करके आपको बताना होता है कमेंट सेक्शन में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। What is defined as the ability of a government to sustain smooth monetary operation and long-standing fiscal condition? And the answer is fiscal prudence. Second question, the primary purpose of the RBI monetary policy is to maintain, and the answer is price stability. Third question, the Monetary Policy Committee maintain a hawkish stance on the interest rates. In this context, hawkish stance means, and the answer is interest rates were increased. Fourth question, if RBI reduces the cash reserve ratio, what will happen to the credit creation? And the answer is it will increase. Fifth question, the monetary policy stance in which interest rate may move either way upwards or downwards is called, and the answer is neutral stance. Sixth question, in which market the money demand and money supply determine the equilibrium interest rate, and the answer is money market. Seventh question, a decrease in the demand for money will shift the money demand curve, and the answer is to the left. Eighth question, in the long run, if the money supply rises by 20%, the price level rises by, and the answer is 20%. Ninth question, with all other things being equal, the money supply curve is drawn as, and the answer is vertical. 10th question, which of the following strategies do bond sellers use if many people are trying to get rid of bonds? And the answer is they increase interest rates. 11th question, in the equation of exchange, which of the following letters represent real output? And the answer is Q. 12th question, what was the decision of the RBI's Monetary Policy Committee regarding the repo rate in December 2024? And the answer is kept unchanged at 6.5%. 13th question, what was the revised GDP growth projection for financial year 2024-25 announced by the RBI? And the answer is 6.6%. 14th question, what is the projected inflation rate for financial year 2024-25 according to the RBI? And the answer is 4.8%. 15th question, what does M1 in money supply include? And the answer is currency with the public and demand deposits with banks. 16th question, what is the most liquid measure of money supply? And the answer is M1. 17th question, what is the term for money that is quickly convertible into cash? And the answer is liquidity. 18th question, what is Gresham's law? And the answer is bad money derives good money out of circulation. 19th question, what is high-powered money? And the answer is currency with the public and reserves with the central bank. 20th question, which of the following is an example of near money? And the answer is fixed deposits. 21st question. What does the term money multiplier refers to? And the answer is the ratio of broad money to high powered money. 22nd question. What is the difference between M3 and M1 in terms of money supply? And the answer is time deposits with bank. 23rd question. In India, which monetary aggregate is referred to as broad money? And the answer is M3. 24th question. The term broad money includes, and the answer is currency with public and time deposit with banks. 25th question. Which type of money is not backed by physical reserves like gold? And the answer is fiat money. 26th question. What is the purpose of liquidity adjustment facilities like repo and reverse repo? And the answer is regulate inflation and stabilize currency. 27th question. The Monetary Policy Committee is required to meet at least how many times in a year? And the answer is 4 times. 28th question. Buying and selling of government securities is called? And the answer is open market operation. 29th question. A portion of the NDTL that a bank must maintain with itself in the form of cash, gold, and government securities is called? And the answer is statutory liquidity ratio. 30th question. Who is the chairman of the Monetary Policy Committee? And the answer is RBI Governor. 31st question. SDF, a monetary tool used by RBI. SDF stand for what? And the answer is Standing Deposit Facility. 32nd question. Monetary Policy Committee is defined under which section of RBI Act 1934? And the answer is Section 45ZB. 33rd question. Which of the following is not a qualitative instrument of RBI's monetary policy? And the answer is Standing Deposit Facility. 34th question. Which of the following is not a quantitative instrument of RBI's monetary policy? And the answer is Regulation of Consumer Credit. 35th question. The rate at which RBI lends money to commercial banks for a short term called? And the answer is repo rate. 36th question. The panel rate at which bank can borrow on an overnight basis from the Reserve Bank is called? And the answer is marginal standing facility. 37th question. The rate at which the Reserve Bank is ready to buy or rediscount bills of exchange or other commercial papers is called? And the answer is bank rate. 38th question. Monetary policy refers to the policy of the RBI regarding the use of monetary instruments under its control to achieve its goals. Under which of the following acts does monetary policy control? And the answer is Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. 39th question. When the cash reserve ratio is increased by the RBI, it will? And the answer is decrease the supply of money in the economy. And the last 40th question. If RBI increases the repo rate, what will be the effect on liquidity? And the answer is it will decrease. तो ये थे मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी के टॉप 40 MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी इन इंडिया एडमिनिस्ट्रेटेड बाय। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।